Have you ever tried to trace a sewing pattern that had a bunch of symbols right in the middle of it? Something like this shape or buttons or any of this? How the heck do you transfer these marks from the paper to your fabric? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, and it's actually really easy. Hi, my name's Abby, and welcome to day 15 of How to Read a Sewing Pattern. If you've missed any days so far, don't worry, just put the word playlist below and I'll send you a playlist full of all the videos so you can catch up right now. Now, let's talk about these symbols. First, this triangle, for anyone who doesn't know, it's called a dart, and it's one way that we make flat two-dimensional fabric into something three-dimensional that fits around our curvy, beautiful bodies. Okay? But how the heck do we draw this triangle from the paper to the fabric? It's actually easier than you think. We're going to start at the edge of the triangle where it hits the edge of our pattern piece, okay? So where those lines meet the edge, we're going to mark that on the edge of our fabric, okay? That's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. But how do we get the lines and the point at the top? There's actually a really easy trick for this. We're going to take one of our sewing pins, we're going to poke it in right at the tip, and then we're going to fold our fabric back until we see that pin. Then we're going to mark that point very directly. Don't be super messy with this, be pretty precise. Mark exactly where that pin is. Then we're going to remove the pattern. And we'll take a ruler and we'll draw it from the edge of our fabric, the first mark that we drew, to this point. And the same thing with the other leg. And ta-da! There you have drawn your dart from the paper pattern to your fabric. So easy, right? Now, you can use this pinning technique for all the different sewing pattern symbols you might have. So maybe you have buttons and buttonholes and you need to mark this. You can do the same thing. You just poke the pin right through where the button should be, peel the paper back, and mark this position. The same is true if you need to put in grommets for a corset like I have here. Exact same steps, okay? So anytime you have a pattern symbol in the middle of your pattern and you're like, wait, how do I see through this or like trace it to my fabric? Use this pinning method. It's super easy. And with that, we have now officially covered everything you need to know to trace and cut out your pattern pieces perfectly. So now what you need to do is go take your pattern and cut out all of your pieces. Do your best with this. Don't forget, we're doing a beginner pattern. So if you don't do this perfectly, we have wiggle room. Everything's a little loose and flowy here. Don't get too stressed. Just do your best. Okay? Now, next week, we're going to get into how to actually start sewing your project together. So until then, happy sewing!